market natin. Akala ko
Jel,
si
huwag
Box.
kayo makulit, Jel. Sampalin kayo ng nitro niyan. Kakabili na ng AM magkapon.
Oh, nagsasabi niyo, tol.
Paldo.
Boy.
Check yung
Lala.
profile yan, boy. Nagalaw na profile ni Otto. Tignan nyo.
Ay, nagdala.
Parang ano eh, yung profile niya boy, parang ano, may regla. Or ano yan boy, na Belgian.
Status. Tayo mapunta. Pasok ng Levi.
Pagdaanin.
Gago, may butterfly sa profile.
Nasa gali na kami, boy.
Okay, sige lang.
Huwag
Saan
natin
castle tayo? Honey?
Private Levi.
Ravens na yun.
Fair dito
Good luck, good luck.
tayo na ball club eh, no? Sa may dito tayo. Sarili nating alay, inalay tayo sa kalaban. Ino CPCP yan eh. Tatangan.
Ano si Yusin? Si Cards.
Honey, kompleto yung ano mo, yung mark mo. Hindi.
Mamarket.
Kumark naman ako.
Okay na.
Para masagip ko si Olga. No, not lang paday and pain.
Saan na kayo, Yusin?
Dito kami, magkakasama kami dito sa Levi. Pupunta namin na. Ako si Card, saka si Yusin. Kasama ko dito.
Saan ba ito?
Maaga pa na, honey. Pwede pa punta ng GMC, no?
Pwede pa nga eh. No?
Putang ina.
Tol, kung mag-skip na lang ako, pre. Hindi na.
Walang gustong maglakbay.
Kaya
Travel
yun.
Albion World.
Layo masyado. Okay lang kung sila yung pupunta dito.
Sabi mo, mid up. Mag-open world na lang tayo, gaga.
Pwede naman, open world.
Open world. Sabi mo, mag-meet tayo mid-map.
Open world tayo boy. Nice one.
Nung pupunta, yung kalaban. Nung pupunta. Ba't kaya ako dito sa Northeast? Ano meron?
Gantay namin kayo eh.
Ay, thank you. Ang bayad niya tol.
Tara, zoom. Doon.
Sabi
Good
mo
na kayo
naman
dyan.
eh.
Sana naman may kalaban.
Sana.
Eh, meron naman. May option tayo.
Sino?
Ay, open na. Pwede punta may kalaban tayo. Scam, punta na tayo GMC download. Yun lang yung kapalatihan.
Tara, takbo na tayo rekta sa trip, pre.
Gusto nyo?
Dito na tayo.
Ako na rin.
Kunting tiyaga na lang yan, no? Mga 15 zones. So, putang ina, wag na.
Yes. Kung LFM pwede. Kung LFM tayo mag-meet.
Sino ba na si LFM ngayon? Ah, doon
Pati mo, pagdating natin ng LFM, sabi niyo, uy, konti na lang, clips na tayo, tara nga sa clips.
Oo.
Ala ka na.
Lala.
Oh boy. Oo. Daming Chinese naglalaro.
If you're not yet in TS, I'll give you guys 30 seconds to be in TS. This is CTA. People should be in TS. Support sealers tank. Okay? 30 seconds to be in TS.
Naman papuntahan pa tayo na ito.
Napatang natin. Puta, Borigit, pumunta ka dito sa TeamSpeak. Sasampaling kita, hoy.
30 seconds. If the UTC timer becomes 39, everyone else is not in TS. No gear. It's
Apat
time
na
to
kami
be
sa
more strict, you know?
pinapanta mo na kayo, boy.
Gusto nyo, dyan ako boy. Walang pusan nyo eh. Pwede na ba yan?
Wala pang TeamSpeak, boy. Okay, pag-turuan
Wala,
nyo.
don't have mobile tag. No TS, no gear.
150 guys. Ay, may blab ah. Blab. Sino itong blab? Tayo ba ito?
May nauna sa atin doon, pero hindi.
Pero probably not. 51 to 150 pa.
Western Paradise pa ito. I think Western ito na.
Pakalabas lang nila.
Western Paradise. Blab na isa.
Ingat kaya, lalanggamin tayo dito. Play safe, no? Pati tayo leg down.
Yo.
Yago, ba't lang lumabas?
Pwede mag-check ng row, ah.
Tara.
Check ko lang to. Para may balikan tayo kung ano.
Nakaklap pa, yung Spirit Hunter. Nakaklap, yung Spirit Hunter yung kadami. Incubus, Spirit Hunter.
If you're not a tank, do not scout.
Spike,
Kasi,
Spike, natin po na sila
go to
Dark.
honey, go
Ba't
to
sila sa
honey.
gate?
Yo, come.
Bob Slayer, galaw. Dismount ka na sa mob.
Anong hindi, gusto.
Wala kita. Wala kita.
14 na sa notice dito. Pa-live nga na ditang sa harap, boy. Pwede na.
Fed up lang.
Mounted may scene po sila.
Malayo pa
Level
yung-
4, level 4. Flop sila.
Bong.
Wala akong track.
Bomb squad sa you are not exempt from posting screenshot. If I don't see your name,
You want tie, enemy color, okay? You want tie, enemy color.
Yo, get ready. We can engage guys. Yo, they're looking. Left. Nice. Yo. Nice. Yo, West.
Yeah, go timer siege.
Ready. 2, 1.
Sorry.
Kuba. Heal. They're walking. CD, the best. CD.
Yatan siya ako sa RB.
12.
Ano yung third?
Pwede, ready.
You want tie, skip mo kayo lang, you want tie.
Yo, look is. Look is on the ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the healers. Nice. Pudge. They can clap. Switch wheel.
Close down, careful.
QW guys.
Sige mo sa party date, hindi ko kaya. Command.
Salo, heal.
Yo, ready on the gate. Yo, ready 5, 4, 3, 2,
Go sa.
get on the gate. Kambak. Good lang. Pwede sa different. Looking color nila.
Close.
Left.
Okay.
2 seconds, sir.
Yo, east side, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice, kill this guy.
You send W to what's inside of you. Please go cancel the team plus. Patay na yung J na.
Help.
Yo, Shaper.
Paper, they have
Look
super.
at you lang. You're stepping outside of Shaper.
Yeah, also na.
Looking now, there's Charlotte.
Nice.
5.
Go inside.
Yes.
East on the gate. Wait. Yo, east on the gate. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More damage.
Yo, kill the guys from
Mana heal.
No mana healers. Please. Let's fade. Next one is real. Looking now? Take it.
Tignan nyo, napignan nyo natin yan. Perfect.
Yeah. Yo, ready. East. Wait. Yo, heal him. Yo, ready southeast. Ready. 3, 2, 1. More damage.
Paper.
Tumbang. Shield. Yo, come back. Don't go in.
Yeah, your healers are low on mana.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, yung guards nila
Nice. Kill the guards. We need space.
Careful shot.
Yeah, they're looking southeast, guys. So they're looking southeast. 3, 2, 1. May beds ako. I'll call him. Stay mid. PW this way, PW this way. So, kidnap him. Yo, come back northwest, come back northwest.
Careful northeast, they're trying to hit northeast, careful.
Yo, walk on a bit.
All over the wall.
Yo, care guys, let it go. Let's fake. Yo, inside, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go, Nice. Come back. Nice bomb. Come back. Tell me, shaper. Yo, it don't fit here. Yo, kill the guards.
Pull him back to the Lord.
It's her healers. Yo, come a bit. It's fake. Yo, come inside a bit. Yo, take space north. Yo, kill the guards. Yo, ready west. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready that.
I don't have mana for me.
Yo, left on the front. Nice.
Hold on.
Yo, stabilize here. Shaper. Stabilize. Wait for Link. Wait for Link first.
8 seconds.
Yo, care. Nice. Yo, they're looking low. Southwest, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, is everyone. More damage. Spike late.
Ako yung nabong ako.
Nalate na ako.
Okay. Yo, nakit na. Careful. He's on the phone.
Careful, son.
Okay. Yo, look west inside. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice kills. Spread. They can engage. They miss. Yo, on this guy. Yo. Kidnap this guy.
I think northwest.
13.
Yeah.
10 seconds are
Yeah. Come southwest. Hold. Yo. Come a bit northwest. Yo, they're looking. Yo, ready. We counter on the ambush, okay? They're looking.
Southeast look.
Yeah. Come northwest a bit. Yo, west deep, ready. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Northwest man.
Yeah, come.
Fail, 1 inch ako. Fail, finish.
No mana.
Yo, heal. He died.
No mana.
Hindi sa may chat.
Come southeast.
Pinaktan sa gitna ng robo.
Northeast stairs. Patapat ako sa northeast stairs, boy. Kasi hihila natin.
No mana.
Kulangan nyo sa mana.
No mana. Yo, kill the guards, guys.
So northwest sila. Coming out. They're going at Takas. They're regrouping southwest. They're mounting up.
Kill the guards.
Wait, they're restabilizing.
Yo, DPS, come here.
They're clicking back.
Yo, on the Lord, ready. 3, 2, 1. Yo, kill the Lord. Yo, full damage on the Lord.
They're walking.
Yeah. Tank stack them. Yeah.
Northwest look ang house.
Kaya lang, nakahold yung northwest. Keep looking northwest. Careful.
Yo, kill the Lord, guys. Kill the fucking Lord. Nice. Stay here.
Full CC ko to, Hani. Full CC ko to pag pumalpak ka.
Copy. Don't let them cap.
Try nila i-stop.
PW. Yo, look northwest, guys. Walk northwest. Walk northwest on the stairs. Ready, 3, 2, 1. More damage. Come back. Spread. Nice step. Yo, spread southeast now. Spread southeast, guys. Nice. Yo, come back, guys. Come back. We need space. Yo.
Shaper.
Careful. Yo, PW this bird. Yo, look northwest, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread. More damage.
Enter gear boys.
Yo, ready def. Nice. Patay si one man. Oh, come back. Come back, guys. Come back.
Amin na, brother.
Dami nila. Inside.
Naman na.
Come right, guys. Dito, man. Don't have man. Get off. Lakas. Play opens. Yo, careful over the wall. Yo, guys, left. Yo, stop them. We're ready inside. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Yeah, stabilize. Come southeast.
Bad guys sa healers, wala kami.
Yeah, wala tayo healers. Come southeast. Try to top up. Yo, they're looking left. Gig. Man. Fake. Spread. Yo, guys. Look west. Ready, inside. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naman.
Kita.
Dami nila, boy. Wala din tayo, lahat tayong chow. Ang hirap ng chow.
Nawalan kayo, man.
Wala din. We don't have Charlie. I think if we have Charlie, we don't have. Daming gago daga. Daming langgam. Come on, Delta.
Bomb squads, and screenshot of your party na. All bombs.
Yan.
All bombs. Send your party screenshot. Gel, I think it's your bomb. No, it's only your bomb.
Send screenshot of your party. Okay na sa party 1?
Yup, party 1 is okay.
Kung nga keep pwede.
GG, boys. Go home.
Ako lang sa tao. Pwede na.
Hindi naman tayo sa kulang sa tao, pre. Wala lang talaga yung chariot eh.
Yung chariot talaga. Pwede natin yung chariot. We were doing fine until dun sa nawalan tayo ng
Dumami na rin sila. Langgam na tayo, pre. Nagmasagad nung level 20 na sila kanina. May BMS na sa likod natin kanina. Okay lang.
Hindi talaga ng chariot.
Grabe pressure ng sa inyo, boss. Grabe pressure ng dito. Ng mga CG-Bow. Doon na ubus yung mana niya.
Gagi.
Yung healers na pipilitan mag-QW sa likod.
Hindi din ako makapag-dip kasi di tayo matatapa pa after.
Oo, yun yung problem.
Walang
tapa. Pero okay yun. Ang ganda nung site. Naano lang talaga kayo. Nalanggam. Ang labas nila pre, hindi club eh. Isa-isang brawler eh. Yung nagkaroon ng light caller, tas may CG-Bow sa southeast, northeast. Diba? Pwede siguro na.
Pwede CG-Bow.
Pwede, yeah. Mag-brawl tayo pero CG-Bow yung brawlers. Tas club na yung pub ni Otto. Maganda. Kasi parang isang CG-Bow. Mapipilitan sila mag-top up agad. Ganun masakit. Or CG-Bow tapos energy saver. Pwede. Pagka-defensive. Counter din sa mga brawlers ng...
Gusto gusto ko makita yung yung damage ng full clap sa isang siege bow na nakakas. Kung instant ba yung damage o hindi. I mean, instant damage pero kung ano kalaki yung HP ba na mababawas.
Parang